you're going.
Hey guys.
Hold it.
Hey guys. Today we are going on a boardwalk. Oh, it might be a little sticky. It's good. So it is very catchy. It is long. I really don't know how old it is. Yeah, this is so catchy. The snow is everywhere. The snow is like everywhere. This is our second time getting snow this year, sort of. And might be, I really don't know if it's more than last time, but there's sure, it snowed and then the next day there was barely any. This time, there is tons of snow. Yesterday it snowed. Subscribe. It is so catchy. So everywhere. There's creeks. Our creek, you might have seen it in a video that I've done. It is still flowing. It didn't get frozen. I can't imagine. So loud when you crunch. We just started. I can barely even see the road because it's easier to see the road with the snow, but it's still hard to see it. I mean, it is so far. Everywhere is snow. Everywhere. I mean, it's everywhere. All the benches are covered in snow. The floor is covered in snow. Oh, everything is covered in snow. The knocked down tree is covered in snow. I had when I was little, we had a big snow. The last time it snowed, the time when I was little, it was more, but I'm really not sure if it's more than this time. This could be the biggest snow I've ever had in my life. It's just so long still. So long. It was made back when my mom was born. And there is just so much stuff. And it's like 30 degrees outside. It is cold. I remember eating there. The roof is covered. It's like metal. Inside is there's still just a little snow, and there's not snow under there, but there is a lot of snow. I can hear the waterfall. It's hard to hear when you're crunching, but I can hear it. I wonder if any of it's going to be frozen or not. Last time, it was frozen, and so we couldn't, but this time, my dad just said yes to it. I'm glad we got to do this. Just so cool. Look at that. There's like a crossway. I've never seen that before. That's new. It's new. Must have creeped over somehow. There is, whoa, that is so cool. That is so cool.
Yeah, take a picture right here, guys.
Look at that.
Hey, Bryson. Okay. Come here, Bryson. I'll pick you up.
Okay.
You let Mama hold that?
Sure.
All right, come here. All right, y'all don't move around. Just get over a little bit. Okay. Look at me. Look at me, both of you. Ava. Ava, eyes on me. Eyes on me. Ava, eyes on me. Stand up. Stand up. Eyes on me. Look at me. Look at the camera. Ava, look at the camera. Ava, camera. Ava, camera. Why is that so hard? Huh? Hey, whoa. Let's do a selfie. No, stand right here. Let's see if we can get all of us to look. Yeah, hey. Alright. Come here.
Yeah.
Woo.
Guys.
Ava, look. Bryson, look. Ava, look. Okay.
There you go.
Until I would have fell if my dad didn't help me. Look at that. The waterfall's pretty big. I wonder how cold the water is.
Hey guys, I don't know that we want to go up there right now. That looks awfully muddy. Why don't we go to the falls on the other side? It might be a little drier over there.
Yeah. So we are walking back.
Now, here, get it.
Look at all of
Ava,
this. Snow
Stand up there,
is
Mom.
everywhere.
Come here and stand with me.
Snow is everywhere.
Hold up.
Ava, look! Ava! Everybody look at me, look at me, look at me!
Zoom out and get one too, far off.
Okay.
Did you zoom out and get one?
So,
Hey, what about me with y'all? Hey, what about me with y'all? Come here. One more.
no. The water goes underneath this, and then it goes curved around that. It's just so cool. I've been here many times, but I've been here many times, like I said. I've never seen that before. Tree bend, another tree bend like that. And that was balls of snow knocked down the thing.
Hey guys, come here.
So
This is the guy with all his
Oh,
North
look
Face
at that.
gear on and all that stuff.
look at that. It's a dead tree, but there's like snow on it. Like top, there's a step, there's a big step, big step, step, jump.
Is that thing still working?
Yeah.
Bryson, is that thing still working?
Yes, it is. It's just
Oh, okay.
It's so cool.
Hey, Blake,
Look,
wait up.
you can only see
Hey,
snow, trees everywhere.
Wait,
You can't even
wait on us.
see anything up there. Wow. Snow, water, that's all you can see. And hear crunch on this big thing. There's trees. And my sister is running all the way up there. Crunch. It's like snow everywhere. Look, that dead tree. One time it fell across this, and they had to build it back, and there's snow all over it. Okay. And there's where one time I've seen people eat there. People can eat there. I've ate there before. I was even a baby and I ate there. I don't remember that, but my mom told me. That's how I know. There's just snow and trees, snow everywhere. I love the snow. We got out. It snowed for like almost the whole entire day. Maybe about 5 or 4 hours. And we got a good bit of snow. And we did actually. My dad has a boat, kayak, and we went sliding down a very big hill. Oh, and then at the bottom, far down the bottom, there was a creek, but we didn't fall in it because my dad was there to catch us, and I liked it. It was so big. And it's like going, and then there's like boom, it whoosh, she's there at the end. Pop wasn't there. I could have fell in the creek once, maybe. My mom tried it, and no one's at the bottom, and she went shh, and almost flipped over. I did that actually once. I almost flipped over. Ava did that once too, I think. I think everybody did. When I say my sister, that means when I say Ava, it means my sister.
Hey, let's pause it.
We came over here, and there is a very big waterfall. I think when the water wasn't there once, it actually there's a cave down here that I've been in that you can go in there and you can stay or you can go down and you can go look. There's somewhere in here, you can't really see them right now.
Huh? Yeah. What? Okay.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Hang on.
Bryson.